Yes, I know. I know you see these. Wait, let me just hold on, right?
So then I can be redeemed. 10 years time Calvary to set me free. No, all I ever did was bring
people. It's your girl Naturally D, back with another video. As you can see from the title of this video, your girl did another hairstyle, protective hairstyle. Now, before we go any further, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds, girl. 2 seconds. Hit that notification bell right down below, so you guys can be notified whenever your girl posts a video. Okay? Now, if you want to see how I achieve this very bouncy spring twist look, continue watching. Okay, now I know you guys saw me with my faux locks, yes, and I love them, but this company by the name of Youngther reached out to me and asked me to do a review for them, and let me tell you, I did not hesitate, because why would you? I mean, why would you? And I got these beautiful spring twists. I never did spring twists before, so this was a first for me. I always have a thing with twisting. I always think that my hands are doing it incorrectly, but I watched a lot of videos, okay? And I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and do this, because I am trying new things. I am trying out different styles on my hair, you know, just to become, you know, semi pro or whatnot. But anyways, let's get into the hair before anything. Youngther's Hair from Amazon sent me 6 packs of spring twist hair. Came in this bag. Apart from the hair, you got a lot of goodies, like these hair accessories. It came with these as well, and the hair came like this. 6 packs of these. I think these were in the color 1B and length 8 inches, which at first I thought it would have been so short for my hair, but the girl stretches, okay? So I was excited about that. So it came with a crochet needle and a mirror. How cute is this? I mean, I don't know what it's saying, but I think it's cute. And it's free. And of course, 2 clippies. Ain't it beautiful? Ain't it beautiful when you get hair and you get free stuff inside as well? Like, who doesn't like that? Who? I absolutely love these spring twists. It takes me back to when I was, you know, a little kid, and I feel like 16. Do I look 16? Now, enough of me rambling on and on and on. Let's get into this video, shall we, darling? Okay guys, so we're gonna be starting off with some moist lips because they're chapped, I tell you. So we're gonna get some lip gloss on that. All right, so I just washed my hair, starting off on freshly washed hair. That massage feels so good. Yes, as I was saying, I have nothing in my hair, so I'm just drenching, not really drenching, but you know, saturating my hair with some water. I do have low porosity hair, so it's harder for stuff to soak in. Then I'm gonna go in with my Rejuvabeads. This hair is a split end mender. I do have some split ends, mainly to like the front of my hair, so I'm just coating it with that, saturating my hair with that. So yeah, and I love this because it's been helping me a lot. I did clip off some of the ends, so you know. Then I'm gonna go in with my MONAT Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Like I said, my hair is dry, so I'm just adding some moisture to it. Saturate. And guys, remember to section your hair. I was just way too lazy, so don't be like me. Don't be like me. So guys, shout out to my girl Shanae, aka Nature. She makes these amazing body and hair butter. This is the chocolate flavor and it smells so friggin' good. I'm supporting black businesses here, so I think you guys should do the same. But this has been a game changer. I love it. It has essential oils such as castor oil, shea oil, vitamin E oil, all that good stuff. So, and it has done wonders for my twist. So I absolutely love it. I'll link her Instagram down below just in case you guys are interested in getting yourself some. But my husband loves it, so I need to get some more. It's almost finished. So here I got my rubber bands from Amazon and my yes, I almost dropped it. My coconut oil from Walgreens. I'm just going to saturate the rubber bands with it so as to avoid any snagging of my hair. So just make sure you guys coat it well, don't miss a spot. Okay, so guys, I'm going to part my hair off camera because, you know, I'm pretty sure we all know how to part your hair by now, but I don't want to bore you with that. Please forgive the noise in the background. He is brushing his hair. But yeah, I'm going to part my hair off camera and I'll be back. Now, I didn't want small sections in my hair, so I did some big parts. I think I got about 32 twists or 32 twists in my hair. So yeah, I didn't want to spend all day doing my hair. So this is the hair, guys. The packet has about 15 twists in them. Don't forget the link is down below to Youngther store. It was very bouncy, very shiny, very soft. I really love the texture of it. Like I said, I don't know why I'm sniffing it, so apologize. Alright, so here I am taking a section of my hair and adding gel to the roots of my hair because it is kind of stubborn. So you're gonna see me putting a lot, but don't worry about the white stuff that you see because it's going to dry out. So I'm parting my hair. I'm splitting that section in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 twists. You're going to make sure that it's even. And you're just going to place it in between the part that you just made. Like so. And then you're going to take the 2 ends. Hold them together. Make sure that the spring twists are as close to your scalp as possible, and then you're just gonna take the rubber band and place that around your hair so that it covers the spring twist. So be careful not to pull your hair tight. I know it looks like I'm pulling it tight, but it's not really. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take some more gel and just add it to the length of my hair. Because like I said, I do have frizzy hair, so we want to tame that as much as possible. So you're just gonna tighten just a little bit more, and what you see me doing is that I'm using the pinching technique. So I'm taking my index finger, bringing it under and grabbing one side of the twist, and I'm kind of, how do I explain it? I hope I'm making sense. So I'm twisting the hair while I'm twisting the hair, if it makes sense. So like I said, I'm taking my index finger, bringing it through the bottom and grabbing the one side of the hair, and I'm twisting as I twist down. I really hope I'm making sense here, guys, but I am going to do another one for you. It's going to be a little bit sped up, but you guys can just watch and see what I'm doing. So continue twisting all the way down. Guys, please forgive my husband. He was really trying not to be in the video, but he did some Mission Impossible shit and it was so funny. Please forgive him. So I'm just showing you back the same process here. Just a little bit speed up. Like I said, it's the same process. So you guys can look and hopefully you guys understand what I'm doing. I got this method on YouTube on the channel below, so you guys can check it out. So with that all done, I'm just taking my Lotta Body foaming mousse and I'm just saturating all over my head with it just to keep everything down. Now guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed because I certainly did. But don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever your girl posts a video. Now remember to stay beautiful, stay safe and stay unapologetically you. Bye guys, until next time.